Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited about this week's project. I made this beautiful ornament wreath with items only from the Dollar Tree, and I saw a similar one online for $50. No good. I'll leave everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Alright guys, to begin the project, I'm just hot gluing these ornaments that I bought from the Dollar Tree onto this wreath form that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. And before I began this project, I took some ribbon that I also bought from the Dollar Tree and just made a loop, like you see the little red ribbon right there, so that I can hook it onto the door. And I just did this all the way around. And once I finished that, I took some smaller size bulbs and placed them on the inside of the reform. So I purchased some medium, small, and smaller bulbs. I used a variety of sizes for this project. And once I did that layer, I'm just adding another layer of bulbs onto the third row, all the way around. And once I finished this row, I went in with my smallest bulbs and I just filled in any gaps that I had. And that was it. Super simple project. Cost me about $10 to $12 and it's adorable. I absolutely love it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, cut on the bell notification so you'll never miss a tutorial. And you guys remember the table I did last week? Well, here it is all decorated. Isn't it gorgeous? See you next time.